First question. Find the areas of the rectangles whose sides are A. 3 cm and 4 cm, B. 12 meter and 21 meter, C. 2 km and 3 km, D. 2 meter and 70 centimeter. So first part is 3 cm and 4 cm. So 3 cm is your breadth and 4 cm is your length. We can take it anything. So we will multiply it. So 4 into 3 is 12 square centimeter is your area, because area is length into breadth. Now here we have 12 meter and 21 meter. We will take length as 12 meter and breadth as 21 meter. So we will again multiply it. When you multiply it, it is 252 square meter. Remember to put the units. A unit is meter. Third rectangle, 2 km and 3 km. You can take any dimensions, that is length into breadth. Now here we will multiply it as a D. It is easy 6 square kilometer. Now last part, 2 meter and 70 centimeter. Now here there's a problem in units. We have to make it with a similar unit. So we will change 70 centimeter into meter. This is 0.7 meter, because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So when we multiply it, 7 to the 14, and we place one decimal towards left hand side, so we get 1.4 square meter. Meter is a converted unit. So this was your first question. Second, find the areas of the squares whose sides are. Now we have to find the areas of the following squares whose dimensions are given. So first part, 10 centimeter. We know the formula of square is 10 square, 10 into 2. So we will simply multiply it. This is 100 square centimeter. You just have to keep the units in mind. Now here again centimeter, it is 14 into 14. It is equal to 196. When you multiply it, we get 196 square centimeter. Now 5 meter square we have. So 5 5s are 25 square meter. So this was your question number second. Third, the length and breadth of 3 rectangles are as given below. 9 meter and 6 meter, 17 meter and 3 meter, 4 meter and 14 meter. Which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest? So we will find the areas of the following rectangles, and we will find which one is smaller and which one is larger in terms of area. So here 9 into 6 is 54 square meter. Now 17 meter and 3 meter, we will make for 17 meter and 3 meter. Here this is 17, the longest side, 3 is our breadth. When we multiply, it is 51 square meter. So learn the tables from 1 to 20 for faster calculation. C part, 4 meter and 14 meter. This is your 4 and this is your 14. When you multiply it, so 14 4s are 56. You can also multiply as 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 means are 4 plus 1 5, 56 square meter. So you can see when you compare, this is the largest area and the smallest area is 51, and the intermediate area is of 54 square meter here. This was your third. Fourth, the area of a rectangular garden 50 meter long is 300 square meter. Find the width of the garden. Now in this question, the length is given, we have to find the width, and area is also given. So the formula is length into breadth, and we will substitute the given terms in the given formula. So 300 as it is for the area, 50 for length, and breadth we don't know. We will write b, or we can take x meter as well. You have to find the value of x. So therefore, dividing 300 by 50, when 50 goes towards left hand side, it gets divided because it was getting multiplied on the right hand side. 0 get cancelled out, and 5 6 is 30. Therefore, width of the garden is 6 meter. Remember, the units is in meter, so write in meters. Fifth, what is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter? So now we have to find the area first of all. This is our land. We have to tile it. So the rate is 8 per 100 square meter. So the formula of cost of tiling is equal to rate into area, and we have only one thing with us, that is rate. We have to find area. Area is simple, length into breadth. Substitute value 500 into 200, multiply 5 to the 10 and attach 4 zeros. So it gives 10,000 square meter. Meter is our unit, and cost of tiling is rate into area. Now we have both the things, we will just multiply them. Now what you can do here is you can cut. You just multiplied it and you cut 2 zeros from denominator and numerator and multiply rest of the things. So it turns out to be cost of tiling is rupees 8,000. Sixth, a tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is its area in square meters? So this is your tabletop, the top of the table, and its dimensions are given. That is 2 meter and 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Look here, the units are not same. So we will convert this centimeter into meter. So you know 50 centimeter equal to 0.5 meter. We add it with 1 to get 1.5 meter. Now the units are same. We just have to multiply both length into breadth to get the area 15 to the 30 and attaching decimal to it. So we get 3 square meter. Seventh, a room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? So again, we have the room and we are given the dimensions of length and width, or you can say length and breadth. So length is 4 meter and width is 3 meter and 50 centimeter. Now we will again change centimeter into total meters. So it is 3.5 meter because 50 centimeter equal to 0.5 meter. So we will get this area where the carpet has to be covered. So length into width, simple, 4 into 3.5 gives you 14 square meter. Therefore, 14 square meter of carpet is needed to cover the floor. Eighth, a floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of sides 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So here the scenario is like this. We have this big floor and carpet size is smaller. So when you lay your carpet on the floor, some area is not covered. So we have to find non-covered area. This is covered area with the carpet, and we have to find this one, which is not covered. So how can you calculate it? If you get whole of the area and you subtract this area of the carpet, you will get the rest of the uncovered area. So this is the concept behind the question. So area of the floor is 5 into 4, that is 20 square meter. Units are same here, all are meters, we don't have to convert it. Area of square carpet is 3 into 3, that is 9 square meter. This is a square carpet, although it don't appear to be in this picture. It appears to be rectangular. So area not carpeted, simply subtracting both the areas. So we get 11 square meter as the non-carpeted area. So this was your question number 8. Ninth, 5 square flower beds, each of sides 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of remaining part of the land? So this is your part of the land. This is the piece of the land, and 5 square flower beds were dug on this piece of land. So these are the 5 shown square beds. So each have dimension of 1 meter. So you have to find the area of this portion that is left out. So area of piece of land is 5 into 4, that is 20 square meter. Now area of 5 square flower beds is 5 multiply area of 1. What is area of 1? 1 square, that is 1 itself. So 5 into 1 is 5 square meter. That is the area of all total dug beds. Now area of remaining, it is simple as was in previous case, total minus the dug portion. So it is 20 minus 5. We will subtract both the areas and we get 15 square meter as a left area, which is undug. 10th, by splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. So whatever the number is written, it is in centimeter units. So we can divide it in following colors by making vertical lines. Similarly, another figure, third figure, fourth figure. So we will calculate their individual areas and add them to get the total area. So this is your green portion, and this is your red, this is your blue, and this is yellow. Similarly, we have done in another picture. So let's find for the first part. So it is 4 in length and 2 is breadth, because total was 3. So it is 4 to the 8 square centimeter. Now red portion. Now here this total height is 4 plus 2. So it is 6, and 1 is your breadth. Why? Because 3 minus 2 gives you 1. So this is your left out. So 6 into 1 is 6 square centimeter. Now this blue portion, how we get 2? We get 2 because this total was 3 and this was From the previous explanation, it was 2. And how we get 3? 3 is given to us, therefore it is 6. Now yellow part, 4 into 2. This total was 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 2 is simple. You have to just subtract 4 minus 2 to get you 2. As you can see here, this is 4 and this was 2. Therefore 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore 8 square centimeter. When you add it, it is 28. So 28 square centimeter is your area for the first figure. Now here we have drawn 2 vertical lines to separate it. So we got 2 symmetrical, that is same, therefore we multiplied it with 2. If we get 1, we can get for the other. So first is 3 into 1. It is very simple, given. So twice it gives you 6 square centimeter for the yellow portion. Now for this portion, the total length was 5 and it is given 3. So you multiplied 3 into 1. How you got 1? Because this is total height is 3. This height is 3 and subtract 2 with it, we get 1. So 3 square centimeter. When you add 6 plus 3, gives you 9 square centimeter for your second figure. Eleventh, split the following shapes into rectangles and find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. Again, the same thing like previous. You have to separate them. Now, first part can be separated like this. The color representation makes the figures separated. For the first part, 12 is your length, 2 is your breadth. So 12 into 2 is 24 square centimeter, because all the units are in centimeter. Now here it was given red as 8 into 2, it is 16 square centimeter. When you add it, 6 4 is 10, carry is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 carried was added to give you 40 square centimeter. Now here we divided into such representation. So green portion, 21 into 7, it is 7 plus 7 plus 7, 7 3 is 21 is your length and 7 is your breadth. So it gives you 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, that is 147 square centimeter. Now for the other color or the other region, if we find 1, we will multiply it with 2 because these are similar. So 7 into 7 for the 1 and into 2 gives you 98 square centimeter. When you add it, you get 245 square centimeter for the whole figure. Now here we have divided it as T, the letter T of English alphabet. So 5 into 1, it is simple, 5 square centimeter. And for the other portion, 4 into 1, that is 4 square centimeter. Now when you add it, it gives 9 square centimeter as your area for the complete figure. That was your 11th. 12. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter. So this is the tile. You have to cover it in both the given rectangles. It has dimensions 12 into 5. So 12 5 is 60 square centimeter is the area of one tile. Now we will find the length of the regions on which we have to cover this tile. So first one is 100 centimeter, 144 centimeter, units are same. So what we can do, we will multiply it. Multiplication is very simple. Now for this part, how we can multiply it? 144, just write 144 first and attach zeros to it. So it gives you this much square centimeter. Now for this 70 into 36, just multiply 7 6 of 42 and 4 is carried. 7 3 is 21 plus 4, 25. So it is 2520 square centimeter or 2520 square centimeter. Now we have calculated areas. Now tiles required will be total area divided by area of single tile. So 0 0 cancel out and 6 2 is 12, 2 is remainder 24, so 6 4 is 24. So in this way you can do it fast without actually dividing it in the long way. So 240 tiles in first case, and now second, using same thing, dividing total area by single tile area. 0 0 cancel, 6 4 is 24, 1 was remainder, so we have to divide 12, so 6 2 is 12. So 42 tiles for this second part. This was the last question, question number 12.